Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Prince George's County in central Maryland, northwestern Charles County in southern Maryland, Stafford County in northern Virginia, King George County in central Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, western Prince George's County in central Maryland, northwestern Charles County in southern Maryland, Stafford County in the county in central Virginia until 7:15 p.m. At 6:27 p.m.
This is going to be the 2-minute timer.
Line extending from Fredericksburg to near Quantico to near Fort Tobacco River, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees. This could injure those outdoors near Fort Tobacco River, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Roadways may be hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Outages are possible. Source, radar indicated. Unsecured light objects may become damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Effluent, Mount Vernon, Pisgah, Fredericksburg, White Oaks, Sealston, Jersey, Mason Neck, Post Street, Fort Belvoir, Hayfield, and Potomac Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has Post Street, Fort Belvoir, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia.
Him up with the new one for free.
All right, there that was.